first met, the sun dipped low, skies of violet. You whispered dreams in the cool evening air, tangles of hope and love everywhere. Walks by the river, just you and me. Quiet nights, hearts wild and free. Laughter echoed like a song through the trees. Your hand in mine, a gentle breeze. Whispered love stories under the moonlight. Your eyes reflecting stars shining so bright. In every breath, shared dreams take flight. Our souls entangled in the sweet night. Mornings with coffee, soft melodies. Your smile like sunshine, warming the sea. Days spent in fields, hands intertwined. Every moment your love defined. Through storms and trials, we remain true, finding strength in the love we grew. Even when days seemed dark and gray, your love was the light guiding my way. Whispered love stories under the moonlight. Your eyes reflecting stars shining so bright. In every breath, shared dreams take flight. Our souls entangled in the sweet night. Through storms and trials, we remain true, finding strength in the love we grew. Even when days seemed dark and gray, your love was the light guiding my way. Whispered love stories under the moonlight. Your eyes reflecting stars shining so bright. In every breath, shared dreams take flight. Our souls entangled in the sweet night. my heart free. With every gentle breeze, love you. Two souls dancing, just me and you. Walks by the river, hand in hand. Secret whispers only we can understand. Moonlight glistening on the water's edge. A love so deep, we silently pledged. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. Days turn to nights, seasons change, but our sweet love remained unchanged. Through life's storms and sunny skies, together we'll conquer, never say goodbye. Morning coffee, shared dreams anew, laughing at old stories, just us two. Time may weather, but hearts stay strong, in each other's arms, where we belong. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong.
Woke up, sunshine kissed my face. Every step a rhythm, got a happy pace. Jumping high and shouting loud, I'm floating on a party cloud. Colors flash like neon lights, dance until we own the nights. Smiling faces all around, love is buzzing in the sound. We can share, heartbeats faster, fireworks. Life is full of little perks. Stars align in perfect sync. Time just slips in every blink. Eyes meet with electric blue. This is what the little perks. Every spin, feel this beat under our skin. Hold on tight, don't let it go. Love will guide us, let it show. Feels like magic in the air. Every moment we can share. Heartbeats faster, fireworks. Life is full of little perks. Stars align in perfect sync. Time just slips in every blink. Eyes meet with electric blue. This is what the little perks. Faster fireworks, life is full of little perks. my face. Every step a rhythm, got a happy pace. Jumping high and shouting loud, I'm floating on a party cloud. Colors flash like neon lights, dance until we own the night. Smiling faces all around, love is buzzing in the sound. Feels like magic in the air, every moment we can share. Heartbeats faster, fireworks, life is full of little perks. Stars align in perfect sync, time just slips in every blink. Eyes meet with electric blue. This is what the little perks. Dreams come true with every spin. Feel this beat under our skin. Hold on tight, don't let it go. Love will guide us, let it show. Feels like magic in the air, every moment we can share. Heartbeats faster, fireworks, life is full of little perks. Stars align in perfect sync, time just slips in every blink. Eyes meet with electric blue. This is what the little perks.